Alright, so let's go ahead and drain some transmission fluid. This is your drain bolt right here. And then all you need is a 3/8 ratchet that pops right in there. This is cranked to 36 foot-pounds, so you should be able to do with just a standard ratchet. No need for a breaker bar. Jesus. Alright, get your drain pan ready to go horizontally, which is a little bit different. So I'm coming over here at the front of the car. Trying to reduce as much splashback that I'm going to get on me. Now this does have a crush washer on it, and it is actually on the bolt, which I can see here. So you're going to want to make sure to apply inward pressure. Just kind of pivot it slowly upward. Let that drain out of there naturally before you fully remove it. Just going to leave it like this just to prevent as much splashing as I can, because there is a little bit of a siphoning effect going on. So I'm actually cool with that. I'm just going to leave it, let it do its thing. I believe there's about 4 quarts of transmission fluid in these CVTs here. You can see just how liquidy this transmission fluid is. It's more like an oil rather than a transmission fluid. As you can see there, it's starting to basically creep out of there. So got just about all of it out. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cap completely now. Let it completely drain out. So I'm going to go and clean this bolt. There is a magnet on the very end of it. Basically acts as a magnet for all the little metal shavings that might be in there. Basically comes out like a sludge. And by the way, for those of you that are wondering, the crush washer is completely different than the oil drain bolt from your car engine oil. So you're going to make sure to pick that up. It's a unique size for the transmission. It's still trickling out, so I'm just going to give it some time and let it fully drain out, and then reinstall the drain bolt with a fresh washer, as you can see there. Alright, so now I've got my drain plug with a fresh washer installed to 36 foot-pounds. Now this is your check bolt right here. It's a 12 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and then fill up the liquid from the top. And then as I start to see the fluid drip out of here, I'm going to go ahead and stop filling it up, close that back off, and I will be good to go. And then I've just got my catch pan ready to catch any fluid that's going to come out of there. Alright, so there's the fill plug removed. Way deep down in there is that little hole. Got a long funnel here. And I'm just going to go ahead and sit this right here. Kind of hard to make out, but that funnel is right in that hole there. Now I'm ready to drop in the fluid right through here. There's the cap. HCF2 is your fluid that you will need. Again, Honda fluid only. Right in here. It's going to go right into the transmission. Then we're going to go ahead and check the overfill bolt on the bottom and just make sure that it's topped off properly. Alright, got my Honda Genuine HCF2 fluid going in here. You can see the color difference there. It's almost clear with the fresh fluid, whereas the fluid that I took out of there was more of a bronze to brown color. nice and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and do roughly about 4.5 quarts. And again, just checking the overfill hole there on the bottom. Otherwise, that's pretty much the process, guys. There it is. Alright, so this is the process on replacing your transmission fluid in your Honda CVTs. Again, you're definitely going to want to pick up Honda Genuine HCF2 fluid. Don't go with the others, even if they say they're Honda safe. Go with the genuine Honda product. Alright, so I've just got a drip on that overfill hole there and replace my plug here. And that's all that there is to it. Alright, and once you got everything filled up, just go ahead and start your car. Now I will reset this light in just a second. Close my door real quick. Got my maintenance scheduled 1, 2, 3, and 7, which I've just done all of them right now. So you're just going to want to cycle through all your gears for 3 seconds. Got my foot on the brake, popping in reverse, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, neutral, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, drive, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, S, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, L, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and back up, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, drive, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, neutral, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, reverse, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, and back to park. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and clear my maintenance reminder for the transmission oil. And reset back to 100%.